How to open a Forex trading account. Beginner guide. Opening a Forex trading account can seem totally bewildering for newbie traders. Broker types, minimum deposits, platforms, it's enough jargon to make your head spin. But taking the plunge into currency trading doesn't have to be so scary. In this guide, we'll learn about the entire account opening process, from choosing the right broker to funding your shiny new account. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment and share this video. How to open a Forex real account. To begin your journey in Forex trading by opening a real account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Choose a reputable broker. The first crucial step is to select a reliable broker that aligns with your trading needs and preferences. Conduct thorough research, considering factors such as regulation, trading platforms, customer support, fees, and available trading instruments. Register on the broker's official website. Once you've chosen a suitable broker, proceed to their official website and locate the registration form. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and any other required details. Log in to your personal account. After successful registration, you will receive login credentials via email or directly on the website. Use these credentials to log into your personal account on the broker's website. Select the type of real account. Within your personal account, you will typically find a list of different account types offered by the broker. Evaluate the features and benefits of each account type and choose the one that suits your trading goals and financial capabilities. Make a deposit. To commence trading, you need to deposit funds into your newly opened real account. Determine your starting budget based on your risk tolerance and financial resources. Brokers usually provide various deposit methods, such as bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and electronic wallets. Select the most convenient option for you and follow the instructions to make the deposit. Fund your account. After completing the deposit, the funds will be credited to your real trading account. This process may take some time depending on the chosen deposit method and the broker's policies. Once the funds are successfully credited, you are ready to start trading. Begin trading. Now that your real account is set up and funded, you can access the trading platform provided by the broker. The most commonly used platforms are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Enter the provided login and password in the trading platform to gain access. It is advisable to change your password for security purposes upon the first login. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at Financial Markets. Online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.